Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
I am so nervous now.
For what? What are you nervous for?
I don't know.
And what up? What's good with y'all? As y'all can see, we got the 350 over here, not at the house, so that means one thing: I am doing another ride along today. Heads up, before we get started on anything, let me say that we always, for some reason, I always feel the need to tell y'all what attachments I'm using. That way, if it doesn't sound good, y'all can blame it on the companies and stuff like that. So yeah, so bear with me. Today I'm trying out the GoPro Media Mod. I'm not using the external microphone attached to it. I'm using the inbuilt internal mic that's supposed to be attached to the front of this little GoPro Media Mod. There is no external microphone connected. I wanted to test this thing out because I've never tested this in a ride-along situation. So if the audio quality sounds poop, then you guys know who to blame for it. It's the GoPro Media Mod. Right now it's on the front-facing camera. More than likely, that's pretty much what I'll be using today. Maybe switching between the front, rear, and stuff like that. But all the audio today will be coming from the GoPro Media Mod. It's funny because I see the person I'm giving a ride-along to. They parked way over there, and there she is walking over right now.
Oh.
Sup, Gigi?
Hey.
Broken arm, what happened?
I injured a ligament and a tendon.
Doing what? Breakdancing?
No, I don't know.
Does it hurt? What if I wiggle this right now? Will it hurt?
No.
What?
I have been resting it for a week, so it's good.
Why you park? Why you just drive over here?
Because I can walk.
I guess. So I know Gigi from the gym. Gigi was like my old gym partner. Before I give Gigi a ride, I need to wipe this off. It's all
yes,
dusty
please.
from the ash.
Oh, see?
What you mean, yes please? You about to help with your one good arm. All right, so everything freshly wiped down, all clean now. Gotta get the thumbnail. That's about to be next. About to take a couple pictures.
Yeah.
But we are all cleaned up. I don't know why it's still hella foggy and smoky over here, so probably gonna get some more ash on this thing anyway, but at least it'll be clean for the video. We ask everybody before we do ride-alongs, what's the fastest car you rode in?
Oh, maybe a Mustang a long time ago, and I don't even know what kind, so I'm sorry. So no, this is my first time actually doing something like this.
We all know Mustangs are slow. So a Mustang, what year? How long ago was this?
Oh, like 8 years ago.
8 years ago, so it was a really slow Mustang.
Probably.
All right, come on, let's get started on this one then. I got one rule though, no peeing or dookie in my car.
Oh, okay, but it all depends on you. Okay, I do need this. This works, right? Seatbelt.
I think so.
I think so.
I don't know if I fully attached it back from last time.
Oh my god, you better.
So you ready?
Okay. I'm just scared now. Why did you say those things? So now my brain is just thinking that I'm going to crash.
So my plan isn't to tear up my car for sure.
Okay. You be kind to me, please. Be nice.
You'll be alright.
Now my brain is just thinking that something is going to happen.
If it happens, it was meant to happen.
Okay, dear family and friends, I love you very much.
Well, if something happens, they're not gonna see the video.
What?
Unless somebody
You have
finds
to.
it.
Oh my god.
We need
yeah.
a black box.
We need to send it to. We need to send a message to
Okay.
somebody.
You send your messages out and your farewells.
Yes. Contact Myke people. Where to find all the letters for the people.
Make sure,
I love.
tell her to make sure she finds the GoPro.
Okay.
The GoPro has everything on it. They just have to make sure they get the memory card out.
Okay.
She's sending her
I'm
farewells.
just gonna say before, if I die, just know that I love you, and you know what to do.
You ready, Gigi?
Oh my god, I know this is gonna be funny face, then I know you're gonna do something to me.
How much you want? I bet you if I got ready to do something, you wouldn't even know I was doing it.
That's true. But I am so nervous now.
For what? What are you nervous for?
I don't know. Oh, shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
See, look, thought you was gonna be able to catch it.
I think I'm not gonna die from a crash, but from a heart attack. Seriously, God! Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god, you saw you in that video you're gonna see my panic face.
This car is literally half the horsepower of the other car.
Oh,
The car you were originally supposed to ride in, so.
well, I'm so grateful for this. Okay, you just did one really bad. Let's wait a few minutes and you can do another one, okay? Because you're gonna kill me, seriously. Like, my heart is like, oh my god.
You good?
Oh my god. I don't usually say bad words, but you're making me say them. I don't curse, but oh.
Alright, so a little lesson now.
Okay.
So even though this car doesn't make a lot of horsepower compared to like the other car,
Okay.
what it does have, since it's a naturally aspirated motor and it's a V8, this car makes a lot of torque. Torque is how fast the car feels going from, let's say, 0 to 60. 0 to 60 usually is measured by like having good torque.
Okay.
Like diesel trucks and big trucks and stuff that pull cars, they usually have a lot of torque because torque is pulling capacity. So that's why this car feels, you know, how it feels is because it has a good amount of torque in such a light car.
Mm.
So torque is what gives you that instant snappy feeling that
Right.
that pushes you back.
God.
Like that's
Oh,
torque.
okay. I got it, okay? I got it? My God. I'm not gonna look good in camera, okay? Oh my God. I'm not coming to this ever again. Ah. Woo.
Torque.
Torque. How do you spell that?
TORQUE.
Torque. Okay. Oh my God, have mercy. I'm gonna be. I'm gonna. Oh my God. You're evil. Oh my God.
Alright, I'm gonna give you a little breather.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you getting scared?
I'm
I told
okay.
you I was gonna give you a break.
No, every time you move that, I have to be prepared that you're gonna do something.
Why? I don't even have to move it to do it. I can literally do that. I don't need to touch the gear shift.
I don't know. I'm so nervous that I have to watch you. Oh my God. I don't trust you. Oh my God, we're gonna get. Oh shoot. We're going through the highway. Oh God.
how fast we can go.
No, 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 no. Let's be good, please. Let's be safe. Oh my God, where are you gonna take me? I told you I was not good. So let's be safe. Okay? Let's be safe. Oh God, no. No, don't do that craziness again, please. No.
Ready?
Oh my God.
Alright, I'ma chill. We'll cruise back.
No, it's seriously. Let's be. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my God. Stop! Oh my God.
Can you grab that? Like unhook it for me? The GoPro?
This,
Yeah.
no, I can't.
You squeeze the two right there at the bottom.
You're evil. Don't put that face in the thing, okay? Oh my God.
Oh, snaps. Remember that word. Torque.
Torque. Yeah,
Torque.
I learned a new word today. Oh my God, I do remember, okay? You have to give it to me. Why no? Oh my God, you're gonna do this to me. Please don't. Ah, fuck. I don't even know how to grab. Okay, I know what that means, okay? Stop. I know what torque means. I feel like I don't know, I run. I'm so, like, my heartbeat is like, woo.
So does it feel like a roller coaster or what?
Yes. Absolutely. I've been in this roller coaster for too much. Oh,
It's like a roller coaster where you keep feeling like you dropping.
oh, those are the worst, yeah. Oh, please, like, don't do anything else.
Nah, we chilling. We chilling.
No, I don't believe you.
Bet, we
We're
chilling.
not chilling.
All right. So we just finished up the ride along. How are you feeling?
I feel good now that it's done. But oh my God, my heart. It was fun, but I was scared. Yes, very scared.
So is this the fastest car you've rode in?
Yes.
Good. High five.
Definitely.
That's the plan.
Yes. But don't make
Come
fun
on.
of me.
I'm not making fun of it.
Yes, you
Come on.
are.
Come
I'm
on.
not gonna-
Come on.
No, I'm not gonna say
One
it.
time.
For fun?
Yeah.
No.
Say Toyota Corolla.
No, I
Come
just
on.
did it. No, you're
Please.
a bully.
I'm not.
No, you're gonna post it on your
Say
video.
it. Say it. Toyota Corolla.
No.
One time.
No.
Come on.
Toyota Corolla.
Tojoja.
I said Toyota because in Spanish we pronounce the T, and you're like Toyota Corolla.
Toyota Corolla.
Toyota Corolla. Okay, I have an accent and it's okay. I'm bilingual, trilingual actually.
Colombiana.
Colombianas, yeah. That's why I speak like this with this accent.
I'm pretty sure most of the people on here are gonna love the accent, honestly.
Oh, I hope so.
I've never heard anybody that complained was like, oh, that accent's ugly. It'll
Yeah,
make you more like desirable with the accent. You know, niggas be thirsty, they be like, ooh, she sound hella sexy with the fucking Colombian accent.
I think Colombian accent it's cute. And you know, in general, accents are good.
Yeah.
You know?
Shows you speak more than one language.
Right. Not only that, it gives you a little bit of character, I guess. My hair is so crazy though. I don't know what to do with my hair.
You know it's recording, right?
Oh, you. I was trying to pose cute with my broken arm.
It's good. It's gonna work. I can take.
But take a picture.
I am gonna take pictures, but I'm putting this piece in the video. All right, let's get some pics real quick. So we're gonna be wrapping this up, calling it a day. We're about to get a couple pictures, and then I'm about to go home and get out of this shitty, cloudy, poor air quality weather we got going on over here. So we're gonna say thank you to GiGi.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a